Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to remove the panels on your ECM Classika. Before you get started, remember to power down the machine and unplug. It's a good idea to let the machine cool off completely before you get started so everything is cool to the touch. The tools that we're going to need today are a 2.5 and 3 millimeter Allen wrench, and it's going to be useful to have a rag on hand as well. Before we get started, we're going to remove all of the accessories like your portafilter, front drip tray, the top panel, and your water tank. You just set these aside. Using your spare rag, you can place that on the side here, and we're going to be tipping the entire machine on its side so we can get access to the screws on the bottom of the panel. Using your 3 millimeter Allen wrench, you're going to remove the 4 screws that hold the wrapped panel into place on the very bottom. These are the screws that connect the panel to the base of the machine. And now we can gently bring the machine back up onto its feet. At this point, the panel is going to be able to drop down about a half inch. You're going to be able to push from the top, and you're going to feel a little bit of resistance and just give it a little bit of pressure. And do that on the other side. Just inside the panel, on the top, you'll notice a brass round piece that fits into a cutout on the machine. That is on both sides, so we're going to gently pull that brass piece out of the cutout on both your left and right sides. Grabbing the bottom of the panels and kind of propping it against your chest, you can gently remove panels and make sure you clear all of the edges. And now that we have removed our outer panel, it's all one piece, we can have that set aside. We're going to use our 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench to remove 6 screws that hold this top panel into place. There's 4 on the top and there are 2 on the back. And now we can remove the 2 screws on the back. The top panel comes right off. At this point, you have clear access to the boiler components, and it makes it easy to get into the machine. Removing panels can be useful for swapping panels out if that's something you need to do. The top panel can be removed before or after you remove the outside panels. For more information about using your ECM Classika, check out the links here. For other knowledge-based articles, check out our website at clivecoffee.com.